So today I'll be eating Brompton House chocolate brownies. Looking like this. The box look pretty solid. I hope inside will be something great too. I was a bit hungry when I bought them. I'm still hungry, so I'm just trying to open it. Alright, so this is it. Brompton House chocolate brownie. I hope it will be good because I don't want to put any shit inside me, any bullshit. So we need to smell it first to understand what the product is. I don't know, it smells alright. It smells good. Actually, even looks not bad. So I don't know. It's not bad. Yeah.